Jagdamba Pearl. So today I'll be showing you the beautiful diamond bangle collection, guys. So I have loved and liked this particular diamond collection because it is pure and elegant. So let us get into the details and let us know more about its collection's weight and its price range details. So let us know more about this particular jewelry, the diamond bangles.
Hello, and these are the diamond bangles. It's in 18 karat gold, and the net weight of the diamond bangle is 39 grams, and the diamonds are 13 carats in this. Totally it's a single diamond. It's carrying 11 cents plus only. As per your requirement, you can customize with the diamond sizes also, and if you want to make it in 22 karat also, we can customize it. And the design wise, it's totally lightweight. You can see the finishing of this thing. And here is also one more diamond bangle. Here it's very tiny, and for regular wear also you can use it. And here also in this diamond weight is 5.52 carats, and the gold weight is 17.75 grams. Total it's gross carrying, and it's also in 18 karat gold. We have made it as per your requirement. You can change this also. It's in 22 karat, and this is also it's one more beautiful single piece diamond. It's a single pointer. In these also the diamond weight is 12.4 carats, and it's also same level carats, 11 cents each diamond it's carrying. In this totally 124 pieces of diamonds are there. And this also it's in VVS1 clarity, EF color with IGI certified everything. It's in 22 karat we have made. It's totally close setting. You can see the finishing. It's a fine finishing. It's 22 karat gold. And here these also in 22 karat gold with a diamond and blue sapphire stone. It's studded in between. It's a designery type with a gapping style in 22 karat gold. And in these also the diamond weight is 6 carats it's carrying, and the blue sapphire stone it's carrying 10 pieces, 2.25 carats is there. And the gold weights it's coming to it's of 38 grams, 200 milligrams it's carrying totally.
So guys, if you like this particular diamond jewelry, so you can also customize this particular diamond bangles into 18 carats as well. And if you want to know the price details, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The contact number is mentioned in description. That's all for today, guys. Hope you have liked our diamond jewelry collection, and if you want to know more about this particular collection, you can walk into our store, or you can also try this bangles at your home for free. The trial is for free, and to fix the appointment you can check the number in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.